Today I'm going to bust open a couple of Hot Wheel packs to get a closer look at these cars. This is the Target Throwback series, 15 Dodge Challenger SRT. I want to get a closer look at it, so let's bust it open if I can. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at that, guys. Beautiful purple color. Just a beautiful looking car. That is so nice. See the backs over here. Sweet. There was actually two of them when I was in Target, and I wish I'd have bought both of them, because I went back about a week later and it was gone. But I was able to pick up a few other Target Throwback series, like the Corvette. Check that out. It says Hemi on the hood. That is so nice. Wish I could get really close up and see it. Oh, there we go. It says Hemi on the hood. Sweet. So there's one. The next one we're going to do is the Hot Wheels Fast and Furious. I was able to find 3 of these. So they made a ton of these, but they're still awesome. It's the 15 Mercedes AMG GT. Really nice. So let's bust it open. Got the silver color. Look at that. Stripe down the whole car, top of the car. Look at the front of that. Isn't that cool? Got the Mercedes logo on the front. Sweet. Such a nice car. Yeah, anything Fast and Furious. I love buying Diecast Fast and Furious. Awesome. But that was just a quick video of a couple of unboxing. I wear gloves because I don't want to get fingerprints on them. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, this is just a quick video of unboxing some Hot Wheels. I need to do this more often because I'm not gonna be able to get to the in-store hunting probably till next week. And our stores in this area, they pretty much have the same thing every time I go in there. So I figured I'd maybe do some videos of opening some Hot Wheels. So today we opened these two right here, the Mercedes and the Dodge Challenger. Pretty nice. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you on the next video. And until then, happy hunting.